I have said it once, I'm going to say it twice. Subscribe to my channel and give it a like. Oh, before we get into this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. So I ordered my son a desk from Amazon. And I have all of these pieces. Let me show y'all how the desk look. Well, it comes with a chair as well. So I have all of these pieces, and I'm gonna start with the chair. Start by just inserting these legs into here with the okay, and then on the picture it's supposed to go all the way through. So we're gonna just make sure it goes all the way through. Okay, I almost got it in my hand to kind of push them all the way through.
Okay.
And then for the top piece.
That piece. It's a piece.
Once I get that in. I'm just gonna put the back on. Okay, so that's the back in the front.
Front? Oh.
And I think that's down in there. Okay. Excuse me, ma'am. Can I do this video?
Oh.
Okay, y'all. It seems so simple at first. So we got those pieces together. The next step is going to be getting the bottom pieces together.
These?
So we're going to insert the bars. So I'm going to let him insert the bar right there. Why is this goodie back? Now put it on there.
It's okay again.
Do one at a time. Make sure it's in. Do the other side, the back in. Make sure. Now make sure the other back in. Now go to, yep.
It's not really getting in there.
You have to stretch it out.
That's what I'm trying to do.
It's this one.
The chair is like uneven.
Maybe I pushed this up too hard up. There we go. Yep.
Now my chair
Now
looks like lopsided.
Now you can push it down or sit on it, whichever way. We're going to put screws in that so we can know how tall we want the chair to sit versus the desk. I'm going to go get the desk.
The table?
Yeah, the table, which is the desk. You want to get that big piece first.
This?
That's laying down on the floor. Not that. That's not it. The big piece.
This?
Yep. It's kind of heavy too. This piece is inserted first.
Where do you put it?
You want to come on this side, or hold on, wait, we'll just turn it towards you.
So
it needs to be flipped upside down, like that. And then you're going to slide it into these. So be gentle when you slide it, so you won't break anything. Maybe it's turn it the other direction.
This?
Yep, that. Yep, keep turning. Keep turning. There you go. Now slide it in there.
This one like over to the side. No, that way.
Okay, so I know this is not a camera view, but I'm gonna try it. So we're just gonna get one or both. Let's see. There we go.
You got both in there?
You got it on the black? This one's on the black. It's on the black? Okay, go ahead, push it upside in.
Oh, break it. Thanks.
Can you finish sliding in?
I'm trying to slide it in. It's not letting. No, it's not letting slide in. Maybe just do a good covers like that. Or...
Make sure that both sides is on.
It looks like it. Both sides are on.
Or is that the furthest to go?
If That's the farthest it goes.
Well, it shouldn't be, right? Okay, so we just have to make
But
sure
it
that
looked
this
like
side.
it's like a screwdriver to stop it. So that might be it.
Back.
This what I think this is a lunch table.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
no, this is storage table to store like pencils and things like that.
That's a weird
Okay, so the next piece you're gonna do is
grab these
you're gonna
things.
grab the tall ones and then the two bottom ones.
Towels. These.
No, the two bottom ones, like the legs, the stand legs.
These.
Okay, lay that down. And then go ahead and insert the two.
The other one. And
Okay.
then I'll insert them.
Okay, insert the middle legs. Okay, do the other one.
They got like little stuff on them
Yeah, that's the phone.
from the
to
phone
protect
that
it.
was in.
You just leave that right there and flip this over on it. Upside down. Both of your blue pieces need to be the same direction. So turn it around. No, leave it like that. You see the blue pieces where the feet at?
Oh.
Yeah.
I think it's really good.
Okay, I'm gonna just stand up and apply pressure to it just in case.
Yeah, I think it's all the way in there. I literally lift myself off the ground.
You heard that?
I still try to push it after I
And
heard
just to
that.
make sure. Okay, there you go. Okay, now you can take the poles, the other poles,
The short poles.
and you
These
want to
poles?
put those in. Yep, just like that.
This far?
We're not gonna have them that far. We're gonna.
Oh, you just gonna adjust them in there.
Yeah, you can
That's
just
when
put
you
'em in
the
for
nails
now.
in.
Mhm.
Where is the other pole?
How far do you want your desk to be up? Let's get the seats. We're gonna push this back again, and we're gonna take the seat so we can see how far he want to sit up, and we're gonna put those screws in. Where are the screws?
I don't know where the screw is.
Should be a bag. So it come with a bag of screws. Oh.
What?
So I'm assuming these is like got two sides. I'm gonna assume that this side right here is for the chair. Then you just have some scissors. I think down the floor.
Right here?
Yep, cut that.
Right here?
Not like that.
Oh.
So I think this side right here is for the chair and the other side is gonna be for the
Waste
table.
the nails, Mama.
I see them though. Okay, then we're gonna raise this up.
It looked pretty hard to
Can we
do.
raise up? Raise it up. Try to lift it. I'm gonna hold it down, you lift it. Okay. Oh, you lift it all the way out.
Yeah. Just I think I want my chair to be as high as it can get.
You do?
Mhm.
Okay. Let's see.
Got those in?
Yep.
It's really hard to get this one in.
Okay.
Mommy, you just let it out.
Well, let me see.
That one pretty tough. I think they are.
Okay, now let's leave it like that.
I think I just wanted to as tight as it could get to the first like holes.
Okay, look like, is it in there? This side is. Okay, we got this side. Hold on, let me do one
I
at a
think
time.
I went down too far.
Hold on, let me do one at a time and then we can lift it back up. So we're gonna go ahead and put the screw in this
Can I
first
put it
one.
in?
It's gonna be hard to put these in. They're not easy to put in.
Probably because the stuff is not even.
But I want to put this in, so there we go. That way this leg won't move. Okay, then
It's. I got one right here. Where do you put it?
this one on the other side,
This.
on the opposite side. It might not even be going through.
Yeah, I don't think it is. Because both of them look like to the left.
Okay, I got that one in.
You want me to do this?
You can't see a hole in there yet, so wait. Trying to push it down so you can see. You
I
can't
see
put
it
nothing
going
in
the
there.
bottom, but
You can't see through it. You have to be able to see through it. That lets you know that the holes are matched up.
you have to see through both of them. I think I can see through this
Okay,
one.
you can't. I can't. So how
This
can
the
you?
middle one. I can see
Okay,
the
sit in this chair.
You want to sit in it?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to be too heavy and then she'll go in.
Oh yeah, this gonna be perfect for you. Okay.
I didn't even start down like it was. You can see them.
This one right here.
It ain't open, Mama.
It was just open.
It ain't no more. It ain't open no more. I ain't went past.
No, it's just going up because you're taking time. Okay, so the chair is done. And the screws are put in.
Yep.
On each side. I had to go back in and turn the screws around.
It, Mama?
Okay, you want to test it, so go ahead and sit in it. And y'all, this
Is my
chair
feet
is
up
sturdy
there?
because I even sat in it and it held me as well. So,
That's a pretty good. That's a pretty sturdy chair.
okay, so we're going to go ahead and start now with the desk piece. We already assembled.
This part and then this part.
We just need
This
to
over here. We just
go ahead and start with these screws.
chair is pretty light and it's heavy. So you can hold body with it.
Okay. And can you give me those scissors from under the chair? So I'm going to go ahead and start opening these up. And come on, let's see how high we should have this.
Okay.
Should I just have it on its highest level? No, I need you to go over there, take that chair back, turn it around, and then sit in the chair.
In front of the table.
Yeah.
It should look close.
So I think we should have it at its highest level.
Cause I'm gonna be like right here.
So we're gonna go ahead and put this at its highest level. Can you see that coming through on this side?
Nope, not right now. Mama, why do they have caps in here?
Cause that's the end piece that we're going to
Put on.
So you can go ahead and lift those up to the last one, to the last little hole that you can see. And then put the screw in with the flat piece on the outside. So put them in, the screws need to go in that way.
This one? Okay.
Yeah, put it on that side. have these little bolts. I'm gonna go ahead and screw it on here.
You can see it coming through, Mama?
And a little bit. You're gonna have to move it up a little bit. Move it up. Yep. Now put it down. There you go. Now do the other one. Do this one.
I have just a bench. Excuse me.
Okay, yeah. I don't know what I just heard. I don't know what I just did with it too. So what I'm going to do is take this little thing.
I did both of these over there.
And now I can tighten
Yeah.
it. Yeah, so look, what I'm doing, I'll show you. So I just took one of those things right here and stuck it to the back.
This?
Stick it on the other side.
This?
Yeah. So if y'all can see, I hope y'all can see. I just took the little piece and just stuck it back there again. Just screwing it so it's tight, And he got his on that side. He unscrew it and hold that other piece while he's screwing it tight. And then we're just going to do that to all 4 sides. So far this is very easy, simple to put up.
The hardest part was sliding that thing in the table.
Yeah, the hardest part was sliding these legs in the seats. It's the seat.
Because it was
They kind of a little
they slanted, not even, yeah.
Well, they are. I think it's just that they're real fitted. So it's like you got to really force them in there, kind of. Too.
But that's good. So that means it won't come out.
Right.
But that was when this over here was sliding. This one was another one of the hardest parts.
Okay, you got that one?
Yeah, but I'm doing this one.
Yeah, I'm not sure if you're supposed to set everything up to its last limb, but that's what I'm doing because other than that, I'm thinking it's gonna be kind of short.
I did this one.
I'll have to redo them. I mean, tighten it up a little bit. Yeah, so I don't. Yeah, so I don't know if it's a good idea to be setting it up to its last limb, but other than that, I kind of feel like the table will be too short. So.
Because I am pretty tall in this chair. You gotta look like that. I'm just tightening it up.
Okay, let me see it.
Oh, you don't even got the thing.
I do. Hold it.
What is this for?
Like how the men's do is extra. It's just extra piece.
I'm laughing.
Because that's what men's always do. That's what men be doing. Maybe fixing on stuff and then you'll have something and they tell you it's just an extra piece that was added. Because they don't be reading the instructions. But actually, it's not an extra piece. Actually, that is it's extra because I didn't do it all the way to the bottom. You remember I just said I didn't go all the way to the bottom? So I didn't put the 2 screws. I'm only putting 1 screw instead of the 2.
Which might be a problem.
Yeah. See if they're over there still wobbly.
What?
Those, yeah.
A little bit.
Okay, well maybe we should go down and go ahead and put it on the second one.
But they're pretty sturdy. Okay. I'm gonna have to take this.
We just go ahead and put them on the second one so it can be a little bit more sturdy.
Man, now I gotta unscrew that one.
Yeah, I do it.
No, okay. You gotta get my wrench, Mama. Where you put the wrench?
I got it. I don't know if this called a wrench though.
No, not that one. I mean the actual wrench that came in here. Are you sitting on it?
Yep, I think so because I seen it. There we go. But I don't think that'll unscrew it. I think you actually need this screwdriver thingy.
It's not a screwdriver, Mama. If you don't know what the tools are called, don't even mess with them.
This is the screwdriver.
That part is.
And yeah, and that's what I'm using.
Still, I don't know what the whole tool is called.
I don't know what a lot of tools are called, but I use a screwdriver.
Wrench, screwdriver.
That thing, what
hammer.
you got is.
But this is a wrench, Mama. I just said wrench. The first thing I said was wrench. If something like this blew my mind, I would keep it together for the sake of my life. If something like this blew my mind, I would keep it together for the sake of my life. If something like this blew my mind,
Okay, yeah, we'll come back after we get all of these screws in.
Yeah, and out.
Then it has this nice light that you can dim just by a touch. You know, and that means you don't have to have a light on while they're in school. They can actually use that lighting because it's good enough. So I have this at the highest height, Yeah, I can't see. But I have it at the highest height. It's not very tall. But Tasia, you want to come and sit at the desk and see? So they can see?
No, Mommy.
And then this is like the extra storage space.
No, it's this light could be like a real light. It shines super bright.
And then this is another little storage space.
And this whole thing right here is a dry erase board.
It's a dry erase board. We think I'm gonna go get a dry erase. It feel like it, but I don't really know. Okay, sit down. Let's see. So that's him, and a lot of space. Can put multiple books on it. Like I said, that piece holds your tablet.
I don't really think it can really hold my tablet.
Okay, well, only thing we can do is
It's try, but I don't think it really holds. It
so
can really
this
hold
is
my
his tablet.
It's my tablet for school. I don't think it can really hold it.
Let's see. Maybe not because of the
back piece.
because it's in a case, but maybe without the case, it will probably hold just fine.
But I wouldn't want to take the case out.
Right, but it can still sit there. And if you need to have space, you can just do it like this and just prop it up.
Pop it up right there.
See? Yeah, and you still have your writing space. But yeah,
That's
So,
the whole turn.
pretty cool. Pretty cool. And pretty nice. So, hope you all like this video. Subscribe to my channel and make sure you all give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any questions about this chair and table desk set that I purchased. I did purchase it from Amazon, and I think I paid like $139 plus tax, of course, so maybe like $150 something for it. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and
Bye. Bye.
till next time. Okay, so also bigger kids can also fit in this as well. See my big girl right here, she's sitting in it, so